Hello there guys, what's going on? Candy Hog here, and in this video today I'm bringing you a quick tutorial to show you guys how to set up a countdown timer in the new version of OBS Studio. This is the latest version of OBS Studio, version 21.0.1, and you can now actually set up a countdown timer without having to use a third-party program such as Snaz. So I've created a blank scene here, and what we're going to do is we're going to add a source. We're going to come to the bottom, we're going to click add, and we're going to add a text source. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to call it EG, for example, and then I'm going to click OK. Then it's going to open up the properties for the text that I've just created, and in here you can select what font you want to use and what size you want the font to be. So I'm going to go for this Comica Title Paint, and I'm going to select 72. Okay, so now that we've added our text source, we want to come to Tools, Scripts, and underneath the Scripts tab, you'll see this section here that says Loaded Scripts, and currently we don't have any scripts loaded. What we're going to do is we're going to click on the plus button, and you can see now that there's a couple of preloaded scripts already in OBS Studio, and one of these scripts is called countdown.lua. So we're going to select this script, click on it in the Loaded Scripts menu, and then over here on the right hand side you can see we've got a couple of properties for this script. We have a duration, which is the amount of time you want the countdown timer to count down from. For this example I'm going to use 10 minutes. We have a final text, which I'm going to leave blank. And then we can select a text source that we want it to use. So we're going to use the text source we currently set up. And if the text source you're looking for doesn't appear in this menu, you can just type in this box and type the name of the text source and it should bring it up. Then from in here you can reset the timer, close it down, and you now have a countdown timer on your screen in OBS without having to use any third-party programs. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, leave a like and a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new around here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.